Another newly opened cafe na naman ang dinayo natin dito sa Quezon City. And ika nga nila, don't judge the book by its cover dahil kahit medyo social ang itsura ng cafe nila dito, sinisigurado ko sa inyo na affordable and reasonable ang price ng kanilang mga drinks. Dito nga lang yan sa Atmos Coffee na located along Tandang Sora Avenue, Quezon City. Tawid lang to ng Crossroad Park, Tandang Sora at Dr. Carlos S. Lanting College, kaya talagang puntahan din sila ng mga estudyante. Dahil bukod sa affordable, masasarap din ng kanilang mga drinks. Meron nga rin pala sila ditong iba't ibang cakes and pastries, and we first tried their tiramisu. Okay to kasi masarap yung pagka-coffee niya at hindi ganun ka-strong. Saktong pambalance sa overall sweetness and smoothness ng whip mixture. Mas try nga rin tong kanilang brownie and cream, sweet and moist yung brownie na may konting bitterness, which is really good para ma-break yung tamis ng ice cream. For their drinks naman, we tried some of their best sellers tulad nitong Atmos Cloud Latte, Signature Ein Spanner, Cheesecake Boba, and Blueberry Cheesecake for their prop. And for hot drinks, sumubok din kami ng kanilang Hazelnut Latte na talaga naman napakasarap. Kita mo nga rin dito kung paano i-prepare yung orders mo. Talagang carefully made and own recipe nila lahat ng drinks nila dito, meaning dito nyo lang sa Atmos Coffee lahat to matitikman. Yung isa mga kinaganda dito, hindi na rin kayo lalayo if you want snacks dahil nandito na nga rin ang Sadyang Chicken that offers different flavors of boneless fried chicken. Ito yung menu nila and we tried their box of 21 pieces boneless chicken para 3 flavors yung matikman namin. First is the jalapeno gochujang, and yes, sa pangalan pa lang maanghang, pero ito yung tipo ng anghang na mapaparami ka. May saktong tamis din at crispy kahit coated na ng sauce. Honey butter almond naman, nandun yung tamis pero more on nasa milky yung nalalasahan ko dito. Pansin ko sa chicken nila, hindi ganun kakapal yung slices, parang chicken fillet lang yung feeling kapag kinain mo, but still important thing is crispy and juicy pa din. Okay to sa kids, pati na rin tong salted egg flavor. Not sure sa inyo pero gustong gusto ko talaga kapag powder yung gamit sa salted egg. And lahat nga yan ay bagay na bagay sa kanilang kimchi rice na hindi lang flavoring, may real kimchi talagang hinalo.
Hi, my name is Kent. I'm one of the owners of Atmos Coffee Company. Tara, kape tayo. So here in Atmos Coffee Company, it's important na as a barista, as a head barista, yung kape mismo namin kami rin umiinom. So it's important na na-enjoy namin yung kape before we even let the customer try it. Karamihan ng mga cafe ngayon, ang nagiging issue is medyo lasang gamot, lasang sunog. But I make sure as a head barista here, yung kape namin is what I would enjoy myself before I start even selling it to our customers. There's a lot of things na we have behind the bar na kami mismo yung gumagawa. For example, yung pastries natin, ako mismo yung nagluluto, ako mismo yung nag-assemble. So by doing this, we can actually sell our products in a much more cost-effective way and cheaper for the student. Thank you! So here in Atmos Coffee Company, hindi lang kami nagbebenta ng coffee or milk tea. Meron din actually kaming concept na dual concept in the premise. Meron tayong Sadyang Chicken. So which is a Korean style of a chicken here. And so one of our best seller is yung mga value meal po natin. So for the students, ang gusto kasi nila, may ulam na and may rice. So a lot of them come during the weekdays for this. And if you are a group of friends or family and gusto naman po nila na maramihan yung order po nila, meron din po kaming mga mas malalaking portion of chicken. So kailangan na lang po nila is mag-add on ng rice. So we hope to see you here in Atmos Coffee Company and Sadyang Chicken here in 13 Tandang Sora Avenue. So katapat lang po siya ng Crossroads and Dr. Carlos Lanting College. Hope to see you here.